Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, leave me your comments. Please share this video out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, things are going crazy right now. Things changes from 1 hour to the next. I mean, it's so hard to keep up with things. But I think we're getting really close to a deal. This is more good news. I mean, very good news. Mitch McConnell is putting the ball in the court of the Democrats and the president. He says whatever they come up with, he will support, even if he don't agree with all of it. He will bring it to the floor for a vote. This is very good because he is the one that's been standing in the way all this time. Now it appears that he has almost given up the fight, and maybe the American people will now get the help that they need. So with this, we can be sure that $600 unemployment boost will happen. The $1,200 stimulus check will happen. The extension on evictions will happen. As long as the Democrats takes out all the garbage that's in their proposal, I think we can get a bill real soon. And I'm talking about garbage like to bail out the post office, money for cannabis research. It's just so much garbage in that. This bill should be nothing but to help the people, nothing else. This is the things we know. President Trump wants a bill fast. The House wants a bill fast. Steve Mnuchin is waiting on go. He's ready to send out those stimulus checks. He said just yesterday, I believe it was, that if they get a bill to him by the 7th, he can print out 50 million checks by the 14th, and the people will start seeing their checks by the 21st. That's pretty fast. He's just waiting on the go-ahead. Now, President Trump has said that he may not have to sign the executive order to get things done because things are moving along pretty fast now. But if he does have to do this, the feds are on his side. They're going to help him do whatever he needs to be done to get the money to the people. Now, whether he's got the power to do this, none of us knows. It looks like he thinks he does and the feds thinks he does. So maybe he does. We don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. But I hope it don't come to that. I hope they come up with a bill. And President Trump, once they come up with a bill, and you know, Mitch McConnell has already said that he's not going to stand in the way. He's going to support whatever they have. Once they bring a bill to Donald Trump, if they bring it to him today, he's going to sign it today. He does not want to be the one to appear that he's dragging feet because it's an election year. It's going to make him look bad. So almost anything that's in that bill that the House and the White House can agree on, that bill's going to get signed. It's looking that way anyway. Now, like I said before, things change at the spur of the moment. We never know from 1 hour to the next what they're going to do. Heck, I don't even think they know from 1 hour to the next what they're going to do. We'll just have to wait and see and put it in God's hands and have faith in God that it's going to all work out for the best. Y'all, I make these videos every morning at 6 a.m. and if something happens that I think you should know about, I will make them during the day also. But please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments. I love to hear your comments. I read them. I read every one of them. And I want to thank you all again for helping me cross over that 60,000 subscriber mark. Man, this has been a short time. It's been like 2.5 months that I've had this channel, and we're already reached that. Now, the next milestone will be 100,000, and I will get that plaque and I will put it back over there where that picture is. So just know that that's coming, and once we get to that point, I'm going to have a $1,000 giveaway. I said last night that it's going to be one person to get $1,000, or it could be. I'm playing with the idea of two people getting 500. Y'all let me know what you think. What do y'all want? And that's what it will be. But that will be at the 100,000 subscriber mark. We'll have that contest. Y'all, just know I love you all, and we will get out of this. It's just a matter of when. I love you all. Ciao.